Review exercise 5. At the end of each question, 4 circles are given, filling the correct circle only. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 4, 5, and relation which is given to you, that is 1, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 4. Then R is a 1 function from A to B, a function from A to A, not a function, and onto function. Look at, first of all, prove that this relation is a function. So what is condition? Condition that is the domain element should be equal to the first set, that is 1, 2 and 3. And elements of domain are not repeating here, so it means therefore R is a function. Now check its range, that is 4, 5, which is equal to set B. So it means we can say that an onto and this R is an onto function from A to B. Part 2, if A has 2 elements and B has 3 elements, then the number of binary relation in A cross B, that is 2 raised power 6, because A that is 2 elements and B that is 3. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 raised power 6. It means all possible what is the relation? Relation of the all possible subsets. So that is 2 raised power 6 will be your correct option. And which of the following is an example of disjoint set? What are disjoint sets? बच्चे disjoint set वो set there if their intersection is an empty set. So check it, 0 1 2 3 and 3 to 1 0. इस वजह इसका जो intersection non-empty set है. Now look at, because 0 1 2 3 is common and 0 2 4 6 and 2 4 6 at here, 2 4 6 is common. And look at here, 0 3 6 9 and 9 16 25 and 30, here 9 is common. So it cannot be a disjoint set. No, 0 4 8 12 and 6 10 14 and 18. So it means this option 4 is correct. Why option 4 is correct? Because intersection of these two sets is an empty set. कहता है if u equal to x such that x is a positive integer less than 30, r equal to 157 and s equal to 1 3 7 11 and 13, then how many elements in R intersection S? क्या elements इसमें होंगे? How many elements are यानी इसमें क्या common है इसमें? 1 5 7 and 3 7 11 13, that is इसमें जो elements होंगे, that is 2 elements common होंगे, that is 1 and 7. 1 and 7 elements are common. If f is a function from A to B, then f is onto function if range of f should be equal to B. Clear? If R is equal to 0 0 8 2 10 3 14 and 12, then domain of R will be equal to what are domain? Domain are the first element. So 0 8 10 and 14, 0 8 10 and 14. So this first option is correct. And corrected question number 4, there in R intersection there are 2 elements are common, that is 1 and 7. Now look at question number 2. That's if u equal to natural number up to 100, A equal to up to 100, positive even integer, B positive odd number up to 100. So this is related to the exercise 5.1. And question number 3, if 1 2 3 5 7 and B equal to 2 4 6 and C equal to 2 5, and then verify the associative property of union, intersection, and distributive property of union over intersection, distributive property of union over intersection. Okay, so which is also related to the exercise 5.3, and here you will verify the De Morgan's law. इसको करेक्ट कर लिए, इस पर थोड़ी सी गलती है, ये यूनियन ओवर इंटरसेक्शन, ये इंटरसेक्शन ओवर यूनियन, अच्छा ये बुक में मिसप्रिंटिंग है ये. एंड सिमिलरली इफ यू इक्वल टू 1 2 3 5 6 7 2 5 6 1 2 3, then verify the De Morgan's law with the help of Venn diagram. It is related to the exercise 5.3. question number 6 is also related to the 5.3, and question number 7 we have done, that is -2 -1 0 1 2 b equal to a b c d. Determine which of the ordered pair represent a function. In case of function, mention 1 1 function, onto function and bijective function. We have done this part 2. And question number 8 कहता 1 2 3 4 5, check whether the following sets are function on A. In case these are function, indicate their ranges. सिर्फ इसमें these are this is only function, it cannot be onto function because range of this relation are not equal to a. Okay, and similarly we have done question number 9. तो बच्चे इसे ट्राई करें, जो आपको इशू हो फिर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में इंशाल्लाह बताएं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. इंशाल्लाह चैप्टर 3 नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट लेंगे.